What do you do to calm yourself down during these uncertain times? A long hot shower de-stresses and relaxes me. So welcome to my Pamper shower routine. I've been trying out this cocoa and shea butter shower kit from Bryan Candy for my at-home spa treatment. I start by using the shower gel to cleanse my body. This moisturizes and revitalizes my skin so very beautifully. Since I have dry skin, this one is just perfect since it doesn't dry out my skin completely. Next, I'm going to use this sugar body scrub, and hands down I love this product. Like literally this is the best. If you have dry skin, this has to be a blessing. It leaves my skin feeling baby soft and gives a very soothing effect on my skin while completely getting rid of dead skin. Then I go in with this face and body polish which has these micro beads which exfoliates and cleanses. It removes all dead skins and unwanted dirt very gently and leaves my skin feeling smooth, soft and supple all day long. Now that I'm all cleansed and relaxed, the last step is to lock in the moisture with this lotion. It deep moisturizes my skin and it is perfect if you have dry skin. It's not heavy or greasy and it gets absorbed very beautifully. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it relaxing. Let me know what do you do to calm yourself down and have you used these products.